Get ready, ElectroDrive news is live. We're kicking off with a rapid-fire look at the future of flight and the road ahead. First up, disaster strikes at a major airshow rehearsal as Xpeng AeroHT flying cars collide midair. Then, we dive deep into the intricate details of that shocking Xpeng P7 Plus recall, affecting thousands of vehicles. But that's not all. We've got exclusive insights into the potential breakthrough coming from the automotive world that could change everything. And finally, we break down the latest advancements in sustainable energy that you absolutely need to know about. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Midair collision rocks Xpeng AeroHT flying car demo. Disaster struck during a crucial rehearsal for the Changchun Airshow in China when two electric flying cars from Xpeng AeroHT, a subsidiary of the EV giant Xpeng, dramatically collided in the skies. The incident occurred as the vehicles were performing in close formation, a stunning display that ended with one of the aircraft catching fire upon landing after sustaining significant fuselage damage. While Xpeng AeroHT has stated that all personnel on the scene are safe and emergency procedures were swiftly enacted by local authorities, reports from CNN citing an anonymous employee suggest one pilot may have suffered minor injuries. The company has pointed to insufficient spacing as the likely cause, launching a full investigation into the harrowing event. These advanced electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, or eVTOLs, are poised to be a cornerstone of China's burgeoning, low-altitude economy, with Xpeng targeting a price point of around $300,000 each and having already secured approximately 3,000 orders. This accident, however, casts a significant shadow over the ambitious plans for mass production and the broader development of this revolutionary sector, which is projected to reach hundreds of billions in market size by 2035. Audience impact. The dramatic footage has ignited a firestorm of discussion online, with aviation enthusiasts and potential buyers expressing concern over the safety protocols and reliability of these cutting-edge machines, while analysts debate the long-term implications for the rapidly growing eVTOL market. Don't go anywhere, because the fallout from this aerial mishap is just the beginning of our deep dive. Next, we're uncovering a massive recall that could impact thousands of Xpeng P7 Plus owners on both sides of the globe. Thousands of Xpeng P7 Plus vehicles recalled over critical steering system flaw. In a significant development impacting drivers in China and potentially Europe, Xpeng is initiating a recall for nearly 47,500 of its P7 Plus models. The State Administration for Market Regulation in China has identified a critical safety hazard stemming from potential wiring issues within the steering system. These issues could trigger a warning light and, more alarmingly, lead to a complete failure of the steering system, posing a serious risk to drivers. The affected vehicles were manufactured between August 20, 2024 and April 27, 2025. This recall comes at a pivotal moment as Xpeng prepares to launch the P7 Plus in several European countries, including Germany and France, highlighting the global reach and challenges of advanced automotive technology. The company has assured customers that the necessary repairs, involving the replacement of the Atrisk steering systems, will be conducted free of charge. Audience impact. The recall has sparked widespread concern among current and prospective P7 Plus owners, fueling conversations about the rigorousness of autonomous driving technology testing and the enforcement of safety regulations in China's highly competitive auto market. This steering system issue is a stark reminder of the complexities in automotive safety. But our next story reveals a different kind of challenge, one that might just redefine personal transportation as we know it. Xpeng HT Aero's contact accident raises serious questions for the low-altitude economy. On September 16, a mid-air collision between two Xpeng HT Aero eVTOL aircraft during a rehearsal for the Changchun Airshow sent shockwaves through the aviation industry. The incident, described as a contact accident due to insufficient flight spacing, resulted in one aircraft sustaining fuselage damage and catching fire upon landing, while the other landed normally. Xpeng HT Aero, a key player aiming for mass production and delivery of its flying cars by 2026, released a statement confirming the safety of on-site personnel, but acknowledged the investigation into the specific cause is ongoing. This event casts a significant shadow over the rapidly developing, low-altitude economy in China, a sector projected to reach hundreds of billions of dollars in market size. The accident occurred just days before the official start of the 4th Changchun Airshow, a major aviation exhibition. Xpeng HT Aero, established in 2020, and an ecological enterprise of Xpeng Motors, has been a frontrunner with its innovative land aircraft carrier split-type flying car, designed for vertical takeoff and landing and featuring a unique decoupling mechanism. The company boasts significant pre-orders, nearing 5,000, and has broken ground on a manufacturing base with a capacity of 10,000 units annually, aiming for certification within the year. However, industry insiders express concern that the accident, potentially linked to weather conditions, human error, or system failure, could jeopardize Xpeng HT Aero's delivery targets and public confidence in eVTOL safety. Strict regulations regarding flight spacing, typically requiring a 10-minute interval between aircraft, were reportedly compromised. The lack of explicit mention of traffic collision avoidance systems in past promotions, despite emphasis on autonomous features, has also drawn attention. Audience impact. The incident has amplified public apprehension regarding the safety of eVTOL technology, with many expressing reluctance to embrace such novel forms of transport. Aviation experts are closely monitoring the investigation, anticipating that it will underscore the critical need for enhanced safety functions and robust regulatory oversight before widespread commercialization. While the skies saw a mishap, the roads are facing a different kind of scrutiny. Stay tuned as we uncover the latest in sustainable energy solutions that promise to power our future. Unforeseen wiring issue prompts Xpeng P7 Plus recall in China and Europe. A significant safety concern has emerged for Xpeng's P7 Plus model, leading to a recall of nearly 47,500 vehicles manufactured between August 20, 2024, and April 27, 2025. China's State Administration for Market Regulation has pinpointed potential wiring problems within the steering system as the cause for a warning light that could indicate a critical system failure, posing a substantial safety hazard. This recall is particularly impactful as Xpeng simultaneously announced the upcoming launch of the P7 Plus in key European markets, including Germany and France. The P7 Plus, which features AI smart assisted driving and launched last November, is a key part of Xpeng's strategy in the increasingly competitive automotive landscape, where intelligent driving technology is a major battleground. The company is working with regulators to ensure all affected vehicles receive free replacement of the faulty steering systems, aiming to mitigate risks and maintain consumer trust amidst heightened scrutiny of autonomous driving capabilities following recent incidents. Audience impact. The recall has raised concerns among P7 Plus owners and potential buyers, prompting discussions about the robustness of autonomous driving technologies and the stringent enforcement of safety standards within the rapidly evolving automotive industry. This recall highlights the critical importance of safety in automotive innovation. Now, let's shift gears to groundbreaking advancements in sustainable energy that are set to revolutionize how we power our world. That's all the electrifying news for today. We saw Xpeng AeroHT flying cars collide midair during an airshow rehearsal. We also covered a major recall affecting thousands of Xpeng P7 Plus vehicles due to steering system issues. We've explored the potential of new automotive breakthroughs and the latest in sustainable energy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ElectroDrive News, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment with your thoughts. Follow us on all social media platforms for more exclusive content. See you next time.